image, video, and link menus in Blogsy. So you have your videos, images, links all set up. Double tap on an image, you get the image settings menu. And here you can enter the alternate text. You can also enter a caption. So something to be aware of. If you enter a caption, like here we have Medusa, you enter the caption, you will not see the caption in Blogsy. But when you publish to your blog, you will see the caption there. Now, it's different depending on if you publish to WordPress or publish to one of the other platforms, because there's no standard HTML for captions. So they'll publish fine, they'll show the captions. When you pull a post into Blogsy to edit it, if it's a WordPress post, then it'll show the same way. It will put the caption here in the caption field, and you won't see the caption under the image. If you're pulling from Blogger or one of the others, they use tables for captions. So with those, you'll actually see the caption under the image. And you'll have to edit that caption. If you want to edit it, you'll have to edit that here under the image. And in that case, you will not see any caption set in the menu, even though there is a caption. So that's on editing when you're fetching a post. Just something to be aware of. Next option, set alignment. Left alignment with text wrap to the right. Center alignment will have no text wrapping. Right alignment with text wrapping to the left. And of course, no alignment. And that'll put the image on the left with no wrapping. The source field. This is actually where this image is on the internet. You shouldn't play with this unless you want to use a different image. Source size. This depends on where you fetched the image from. So here, because we fetched this image from WordPress, you have the option to use the thumbnail size image or the original size image. If you're fetching from Flickr, then you have different size source images to choose. If you're selecting from Picasa, then it dynamically chooses the correct size image that it will use to match whatever you have set as your display size. So to be clear about this, these different size images are used just for displaying in your blog. The actual link to the original image is always the full-size image. By actually using a smaller image to display it on your blog, it saves bandwidth and helps your blog load faster, and people won't notice any difference when they're looking at the image on your blog. Okay, so here you can lock proportions or not for your different image sizes. So if you have a slider, you can use the slider to set your image sizes. You can actually set it through here, 400 done, and set the size, and I'll set both. Or you can distort it if you turn this off, and let's say we do this down to 40. So it'll really distort your image if you'd rather distort. It's really up to you. Link URL. By default, it's going to link to the full-size image wherever that is on the internet. If you wanted to link to something else, some other website, some other location, you can change it here. And then open in a new window. That's on or off. And then you can delete this. When you delete it, it deletes it only from this blog post. It's not going to delete it off the internet anywhere. So delete it, it's gone from just this blog post. Okay, let's take a look at the video. Here you have both options, iframe and old embed. So iframe is the new standard for the internet. And if you want to view websites and with videos in them on mobile devices, iOS devices, definitely you need to use the iframe. And these are the options. Size, we have some standard sizes here you can set it to. And then we have alignment, left alignment, center, and right alignment. And then you can set, same as with the image, you can set the size through slider or manually typing in, and the delete. And here with the old embed code, you have those same options, plus it's the old YouTube embed code, so you can set the color of a border, you can choose to show the border or not, and you can choose to include related videos or not, or you can delete it from your post. Okay, now the link menu. Double tap on the link And of course you have the link URL, so where the link is going, open it in a new window, and if you want to set a title for your link, you can do that here. And that is image, video, and link menus in Blogsy.